Today, I partnered up with Home Depot to show you the installation process of the Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi thermostat as well as my thoughts on them. Both white and black go for $169, but actually right now on the Home Depot site, which I've linked down below for you, the white one is $149. I did install both of these into my home, the white one downstairs and the black one upstairs, and I did that in one day in less than 2 hours. Plus, you'll see that I actually walked someone else through to do the second install. I don't know about for you guys, but for me, when I look at packaging and I see a lot of options and like, oh, this is great, this is great, this is great, I get a little bit overwhelmed. So I just decided to open up the box, take it out, look at it, see what we got ahead, install it, and then kind of go back and see and really use the features. With both black and white thermostats, you are going to get the back plate, some screws for install, an extra wire, labels, a manual, and then the thermostat itself. I was very excited to see how sleek looking they were. They're just much prettier than the ones that I currently have. But before we install, you want to ensure to turn off the power to both of your units or the unit that you're installing on. I've installed units before, so I knew the first thing you do is take off the faceplate and take a photo of how everything is wired. So if we were to mess up, we could reinstall this with ease. Before you take the wires out of the current housing, you want to ensure that you use the labels Emerson provided and stick them on the correct wires. When you have that all finished, you can go ahead and remove the wires and then the back plate itself. If I am moving a little too quick for you, in the app, it literally walks you through step by step and it won't move to the next prompt unless you prompt it. It asks you to check what wires that you have and it will tell you if it's a proper configuration or not, so that way you know if it is compatible with this thermostat before moving forward. Right after it told me I could go ahead and install, I finished the remaining steps, which is just screwing in that back plate, reconnecting the wires, and putting that faceplate on, and it, voila, will turn right on for you. When you press next on your app, it's going to ask you to go into the advanced setup button on the thermostat itself, and then you'll be able to scan a code and your thermostat will connect directly to your app. Patch and paint if needed, but before I give you my final thoughts and the features of these thermostats, I decided to challenge literally the most beginning level DIYer I know, which is my boyfriend, to test how easy this install really is.
So Rachel's always doing all the work around the house. It's my turn to pull my weight. Time for the man of the house to come in. So what we're gonna be doing is changing the AC unit. So far, so good. What am I gonna do?
No.
No?
You have to label the things before you take them out because you can't unscrew that until you take those wires out.
Alright, so I'm gonna take the wires out.
You need to label the wires before you
They're not labeled, there's labels on them.
The right ones? Hold on.
I don't know.
Oh, I already labeled them for you.
What we're gonna do here is just take these wires out. What do I do, just pull them or I gotta unlock them? Alright, that's how it's done. Alright, so take those wires out, unscrew the housing. Got our old unit officially off. Here comes the part that I have no idea how to do. Okay, we got some new housing. I think it goes sideways. Alright, so we're gonna have to screw that into the... Babe, what's this extra wire? Do I need to put that in there?
No.
I know, I was testing it. And where it says up is where you're gonna focus on, and that's the side that goes up. It's a built-in level, so we know, not crooked.
I'm like really proud of you right now.
That's right. You'd be surprised what the kid can do. That's how you levelize. There, I have all my wires connected and respected.
Where's, you said an OB, I don't see an OB.
OB here.
Oh, I thought you said there was an OB wire. I was like, there shouldn't.
No, OB1 can OB.
Okay.
Can you just let me? I got this. And that, my friends, is how it's done.
You have to set it up.
Sensei!
It's not done yet.
Okay, boom, set up.
It's not
Bing,
done.
on, 68, here we go.
It's not on yet. You have to connect it to this.
So next we scan, boom, connecting to Wi-Fi network, things are taking place, connections are happening, loads it, we're good to go. Hey Siri, can you turn upstairs heat on to 75 degrees? Just like that.
You're so...
And that, my friends, is how it's done.
I'm so proud of you. I know it's stupid, but it's sexy. Super sexy.
See, guys, your ladies think it's sexy. me do some man work around the house.
So you saw the Siri a little bit, but it is compatible with Alexa and Wink. The second thing that I stumbled across was a back glow, and that's just like a little night light that you can turn on within the menu itself, just so you can find the thermostat easily if it's too dark or whatever. It's just kind of cool. And then you have your scheduling, which you can do on the app or within the menu. I don't use it because our schedule changes all the time. I do use the geofencing feature within the app. I just turn it on, and that automatically has your thermostat kick back 3 degrees if you leave your house more than 3 miles, like in a 3-mile radius. Easy way to save money without even having to think about it. But my most favorite is when I'm too sleepy or Callie's too sleepy, and we can control it from the app on our phone or with Siri, so I can get some more lovin' for her.
Hey Siri, can you turn the heat up to 73?
She makes it really hard to get up in the morning, but Emerson Sensi Touch Thermostat makes it easy because I can get cozy while still in bed with her. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this install and review. I've linked both thermostats down below in the description box for you. Thank you so much to Home Depot for partnering up once again. I will catch you on the next video for another DIY.